Hi there, it's Nick from Cryptocoin once again. Now today's video is about trying to save some money on purchasing your bitcoins. Now if you've watched the first two videos I've done, and if you haven't, why not? There are links to them below if you want to do them in order, it'll help you. We've been buying our Cryptocoin, or our Bitcoin should I say, on Coinbase. Now as much as Coinbase is really easy to use, there's a bit of a commission fee each time you pay it, and it's not huge, but if we can try to avoid it when we're starting to use bigger amounts of money, this is going to be a good thing to do. So what we need to do, we need to go to a site called GDax, which is what I'm showing on the screen now. Now this is a trading site, but it's actually owned by Coinbase and it's totally linked. You can go from GDax to Coinbase and back, and you can swap your money and it doesn't cost you any money at all. Now all you got to do is you will have to sign in and set up an account on GDax. I've already done that. It's pretty much straightforward, but as I say, it actually links to your Coinbase. So once you've set up your GDax account, I'll come back and I'll show you exactly how easy it is to do. So what we'll do, let's go back to the Coinbase account that we'd previously set up. Now at the moment I've actually only got bitcoins on my account, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. I'm going to buy Ethereum with Bitcoin, but it works exactly the same way if you want to buy Bitcoin with dollars, with euros, and that sort of thing. I've just actually, to make it easier, I've just actually got some Bitcoin left in my wallet. So what I do, I will go back to my GDax account, and up here you will see you can select which products you want to do. Now I've already selected what I want is Bitcoin to buy Ether. Then you click on this little thing here that says deposit. I'll click on deposit. That now links to your Coinbase account. So the amount I want to deposit will be, I'm going to put the full amount in. Let's have a look. You'll have to put the amount in Bitcoin, so it's 0.0108. 0.01008. Okay, and you literally just click on that, deposit funds, and I've got the tick there, and if I click off that, you'll see instantly that has moved from my Coinbase account, and I've got a little buzz on my phone and also an email to let me know that's what I've just done. It hasn't cost anything, it's just linked that money across. Okay, so the next bit, what we're going to do, we want to buy. So at the moment we're going to buy Ether with Bitcoin. As I say, it can be done with any way around you want to do it. So we're going to click on something called limit. Okay, this is the easiest way to do it. We click on limit, we've got buy clicked on. Now you see all these little things going up and down. Now I've watched loads and loads of videos, and the people that have been doing these videos have made it so complicated. They go, do this, do that, and it's gone. Before I know it, I don't know what they're doing. Now quite honestly, you need to click somewhere near the top here. This is what it's being sold at the moment. Okay, now let's just click on this one, and that number has gone into there. Now you're not going to pay that amount. What you're going to do, that's the amount of, that's the Bitcoin that you will be buying, but not that amount. Then you go up to the top here where you've got your Bitcoin balance there, which is 0.0108, and it says pre-fill all. So if I just click on that, that is how much you're going to spend, which is the amount that's up there, or should I say that is the amount you're going to spend down there. And then all you got to do now is click on place buy order. Then because we clicked on it near the top, it should go through pretty quickly. Sometimes it may take a short while to go through, and so we'll just wait a little bit and see what happens. It may go through straight away, but because I was talking a bit, I might have missed one of the fills. It should get filled any second now because we're quite near the top. I'm looking at what we've done there. So let's just let it go around a little bit. If it doesn't, it's getting there. Hopefully it'll just go up to there. It will say it's been filled. You can see there it's been filled. So you have now bought with your Bitcoin, you've bought Ether, and it's not cost you any commission whatsoever. There's just one more thing I'd like to mention. When you sign up for Coinbase and GDax, they sometimes ask for a security verification. What you need to do is download the Authenticator app for Google onto your iPhone or Android. They'll tell you this the first time you ask for verification. This authenticator creates 6 random numbers around every 30 seconds or so. It starts out blue and there's a little timer at the side, and when it's about to create a new set of numbers it turns red and a new code's created. You simply type the blue verification code into the box provided and click on verify, and it's as simple as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some great easy to use information about saving money on purchasing Bitcoin. I'm trying to keep these videos short and to the point without skipping over any of the important stuff you need to know, and importantly not going too fast so you can see just what you need to do. I'm pretty new to the crypto markets and the likes of Bitcoin, but it's just so exciting what's going on. There's some big changes in the air and it's something you simply need to get involved with. I've got a couple of links below that can speed things up. There's a link to Coinbase and a link to the guy who I've learned most of what I know so far from. The information he has on his site, it's incredible. And what's really great about it, it's totally free. Yep, it's totally free. Trust me, you click onto it and you think, what's happening here? Somewhere down the line, he's going to start charging me money. He doesn't. It's brilliant. Thanks for watching, and here's to your journey into making a ton of money with Bitcoin. See you on the next video.